Hello guys, andito kami sa dating tinitirhan namin sa magulang ng amo kong babae. Oh, look at this, so cute. Let's see if there is ripe tomato. Where is the tomato here?
It's my phone. There isn't tomato on front.
Where? Rosie said there's tomato here. Where is it? Hmm? Come, oh, look at that. Oh, tingnan nyo guys. Ang daming bunga ng mangga.
Nana, you made
Oh.
my mango.
Oh, di ba?
Big mango.
Look at this. There's a lot of fruits.
And that's a big mango.
Oh, it's falling.
Here, my phone falling.
Dalawang makulit.
What already said?
Yeah, is it ripe? Oh, there's some more. I'll bring it in Amarat.
Okay.
It's here. Anak, don't put on your clothes. Let's see if there's tomato here. Oh, ang green dito. Oh, look at the moringa. Marami pa ding green. Pero mas marami na yung brown. Oh, it's not yet ripe. The moringa. Oh, there is ripe. There. Nak, don't pull. Oh, look at this. There's a lot of fruits. But not yet ripe.
Oh, okay. Oh, fruit.
Why you leave the mango there? It's so hot. Animal, sinabok mo man siguro to. So green. Daming bunga ng mangga. Lemon to lemon. Dinala niya dyan. Ang init.
Dami, no?
Uy, daming moringa, oh. Sayang naman, nadadry lang dyan. Gusto ko kumuha. Stop it!